What's up, you guys? Alright, y'all, I know I've been gone for a minute, but your girl back. So today is gonna be something a little bit different for my channel. You know, it's not a DIY project, it's not a vlog. Today we have a Q&A, okay? A Q&A. So I went on my Instagram and I asked you guys to ask me questions. It could have been business related, personal, however sis felt that day, you know. Ask your girl. So I'm going to be going over those questions in this video. So I'm going to look for the questions, if I can find them. Wow. Y'all gotta find the questions. Like, no cap. There it is. Boom. Found it. Alright. So we don't have that many, so that's great. We can zoom right through these. So while you're here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow all the social media accounts below. I want to give a big old shout out to all my subscribers. You guys, our 3K giveaway was a success. So if you won, you guys should be getting some communication from me this week regarding your prizes. We did double check and make sure the winners were following all the directions, so it's fair and square. We also did a random pick website. If you guys did not check out that live, I'll link it up in the cards for you guys to go back and check out the YouTube giveaway video. So while you're here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow your girl on social media, and let's get into this Q&A.
They used to talk about me, but now my name all in they search now. Pretty in the face, little in the waist. I talk my shit, I get cocky. These bitches want beat me, these bitches can't see me. Got CC all over my body. Killing bitches is a hot.
Alright, so we back. So for this Q&A, girl, go grab you some tea. Get you some tea, sis. Today we drinking up some Gold Peak tea, you know, real sweet or whatever. Then I got some little snacks, you dig? I got some little mini Oreos and some Chip Ahoy. Go get snacks, boo, because it's a Q&A. Alright, so I'm going to start off with some of these questions. Most of these questions were business related, so let me go and open up ASMR sound. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open up my snacks so we can go and get this chat underway. Right. Alright. So the first question asks, how long did you wait to start selling wholesale after establishing your business? So many of you guys who do not know, I started Christine Creations in July of 2019. Too bright. Okay. I started Christine Creations in July of 2019, which is coming up on my 1 year, July 30th. I started wholesaling. I played around with it in December of 2019. I didn't go full-blown wholesale until about the end of January, February. Right before the corona started in China. And right before the Chinese New Year. That's when I basically popped off my wholesale. Next question. Your experience with AliExpress charms. I never really purchased charms from AliExpress for my wholesale business. I really didn't purchase any, you know, for when I was just selling bracelets. So I really personally do not have any personal experience with AliExpress. I do have a few colleagues that order off AliExpress. They love them. I have no problem with them. I've ordered small stuff like gibbet bags and stuff like that from AliExpress. But as far as charm wise, I have not purchased any charms directly off AliExpress. Next question. How far do you want to go? How far do you want your business to go? And what's big for you? So this is something that I've been thinking about. I'm in the midst of trying to make a big decision for my business that I have into the end of the week to do. I want to be known as a wholesaler all around. I just don't want to be known as a charm wholesaler, if that makes sense. I want to own multiple businesses. That is my ultimate end goal, is to at least own about 3 businesses. My ultimate goal would be for me to have Christine Creations on a 6-figure level business, if that makes sense. I want my clothing line, when I do launch it, I want it to like blow the hinges off the doors. You feel me? By the way, I am rocking the Curvaceous collection. You know, our half cut blue jean jacket. So I do rep my own brand, even though I have not launched a Curvaceous collection yet. It is, I wear the clothes that I'm gonna sell. So I just want my business to be successful. I want to make 6 figures. I want to be a 6-figure entrepreneur. I want to be able to help people. I want to offer classes, which I am currently doing now. So if you did not know, please go register for our Jewelry 101 course on August the 9th. It's a virtual class. And we also have a Business 101 course, which is June 26th. Make sure you register. All the links to register will be in the bio. Well, not in the bio, in the description. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So I just want to be a 6-figure business. I want to make sure that my business is impacting you all and helping you all start your business correctly. So yeah, that's the biggest goal for me, is to make sure that I'm helping you all jumpstart your businesses. Next question, do I want kids? Yes, I do want kids. I personally want 2 kids. I was the only child. I really don't care what the gender is. I just want 2 kids. Next question, where do you get your elastic string when you make beaded bracelets? You can get elastic string from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Walmart, Target. You can go in those places. I do prefer my string to come from Michael's. Michael's has this deal where you can get 3 rolls of elastic string for about $10. So I will look into that for real. How many charms? I guess this is a business question. I guess learn design a nice website. How charms should be on the bracelet. Pick up option on website. I'm not sure if what she's asking. We do have a pickup option on our website currently. I always suggest not go overboard with the charms, especially when you are selling these bracelets to women with larger wrists like me. My cap for one bangle, I would say no more than 5. Unless you put in the charms on the outer ring, you can do as many as you want to do. All right. How did you get started? This is a question I get asked a lot. Christine Creations, to me, I was in college. I was a senior in college, graduated as a senior at the world famous Bethune-Cookman University in Daytona Beach, Florida. HBCU grad, that's me. But I was trying to find a way to save money. I was into doing my own press-ons. I was like, I love jewelry, so why not make it? So that's what I did. So I started off just selling around campus to my friends, my sorority sisters, all that good stuff. I was still a full-time student. I was working a full-time job on top of making bangles. That's kind of how I started. It started as a hustle for extra money because I did have my own apartment. I had a car note. Girl had bills, so they had to get paid. So I had to come up with another way of bringing income to your girl's pockets. So when I started selling bracelets, I did good. The first week, I was like, oh my God, Mom, I sold like 10 bracelets. She was like, that's good, that's good. And it just went from there. I had a lot of my friends from college. A big shout out to Bethune-Cookman University. My first set of clientele was amazing. They were so supportive. They would really buy anything I put up. When I left and graduated from college in December, I had to come back and reevaluate my business because of the fact I had just graduated, fresh out of college. I was looking for a job. Jobs weren't hiring. Why? Because when I graduated, Corona literally hit about 3 or 4 weeks later. So it was like everybody on a hiring freeze. Nobody wanted to hire your girl. I felt like I was real qualified to do just about anything. So my mom gave me the idea. She was like, Tracy, just focus on your business. She was like, God is telling me to tell you just to focus on your business and give it time. Long behold, 6 months later, my business is booming. Nothing less than booming. I'm always busy. I was had enough money set aside to go and get a facility, to make an office, to do all of that. So with all that being said, just manifest what you want and it will happen for you. I'm still manifesting, I'm still praying, I'm still hoping, I'm still doubtful. Do not get that wrong. I'm still doubtful of a lot of decisions that I make. When I'm talking to my mom today and my sister Angel, I was like, I just don't want to get, I don't want to jump too far ahead. That's not where I'm supposed to be. And they was like, well, you never know until you try, basically, and that you have the clientele, you making the money, so that money not an issue for me. I just don't want to fail. So that's always in the back of my mind. So, yeah. Next question. How do I get supplies for my beaded bracelet wholesale? Find a vendor. I know here in Georgia we do have something called a Perimart, where that's like a wholesale like market. If you're in LA, they have the wholesale district, fashion district, all those type of things. So you have to look in those places. You can also find you a vendor on Alibaba. I love Alibaba. I swear by Alibaba. I have some of the best vendors off Alibaba. And talk to them and tell them what you're looking for. Tell them your budget, and they will try to work with you. I promise you they will. So next question is, hey sis, how do I find money to fund my new small business? So sis funded out her pockets. Okay, did not take out a loan. Still to this day have not taken out a small business loan. I have not received any grants. Actually got denied for a small business grant. So anything that's been happening has been funded out of my pockets directly. I took $100 out of my check every week. My boyfriend also gave me money for my business. So between the two of us, we was funding my business at first. But it was really me. Like, he was just like, oh, here babe, here's $50. Do what you gonna do with it. And I'll put it into my business to this day. Like, if anybody give me money, I'm really gonna be like, oh, I can do this for my business. I can do that for my business. So that's kind of how I am. Graduation money, all my graduation money went towards Christine Creations. So I flipped this out my own pocket, since I wish I could have got governmental help. But at the same time, you don't want to owe nobody. So do it on your own. If you got to put up $25 every week until you have enough money to, purchase what you need, do that. But Christine Creations, we do offer you guys a business starter kit. It retails for $80. The equipment that comes with the kit is enough to make 25 bracelets with 2 charms on each. Under $100, you can start your business with Christine Creations. Keep that in mind, sis. Next question. How long did it take you to get your first order? I would say I got my first order within the same day. It was my sorority sister. Angel had bought for me when I first started. So it was like people that knew me and that was close to me. They were some of my first customers. I really don't remember when I started getting I had got my first order from someone I did not know when I first opened up my website. And it was like flooring. It was like people always waiting for you off the website. I was waiting. So I had people who were waiting for me to do a website. Websites do make you more credible, ladies. So don't, it's a little extra coin, but it's going to help at the end of the day. So look into getting a website. But it didn't take me long, honestly. It was a word of mouth spread. Next question. How do you set prices for your handmade jewelry? Let me sip some tea. Hold on, one second. That was refreshing. I get this question so much. How do I price my items? How do you do this? How do you do that? You guys, pricing is not hard. I have a whole video on my YouTube channel dedicated just to how to price your items. I will link it up in the cards as well. Make sure you guys go check out that video. I dropped so many gems, okay? Free gems on how to price your items. If you need more help, direct help, I do offer a business one-on-one course that will be on July 26th. It's $50, 3 hours. Pick my brain. That's what I'm here for. So if you need some direct business help, business one-on-one, please enroll in that course. Seats are filling up quickly. Don't miss out. Next question. Did or do you use business credit to start your business? No, ma'am. It is no credit cards in Christine Creations' name. We don't have no credit line. We don't have no loans. We don't have none of that. Everything over here, cash and carry. And that's on period. Next question. Any advice on starting a website? I always advise that you guys look into Shopify, okay? I'm going to be doing a class soon on how to build a website on Shopify. That's one of the questions that you all ask so much. So I'm going to dedicate a whole course on how to design a website. So if you want to know how to do that, make sure you're on the lookout for my class. That's coming soon, sis. But building a website to me is fun. You get to make your own brand. Like, who else knows your brand better than you? I'll wait. Who else knows how to represent your brand better than you? Take the website as an opportunity to be creative, to show your brand. First impressions are everything, okay? Remember that. First impressions are everything. And your website is 9 out of 10 the first impression for your customers. So keep that in mind when making it. Last question on period. What are some ideas for promoting business? I always believe in be a walking billboard for your business. Wear your t-shirts, wear your bracelets, wear your necklaces. Everything you guys see that I have on is Christine Creations made. This necklace, I put this necklace together. These bangles are old as crap, but I made these bangles. It's just like you have to promote your brand. How you get up and you scroll on Instagram. Every time you wake up, you should be posting something. You should be interacting with your customers. You should be doing Instagram and Facebook ads. If you don't know how to do Instagram or Facebook ads, join my business one-on-one course. I will be going over all that information, sis. Make sure you join that. For real, like, stop playing. Y'all can really have y'all business on a whole nother level. Marketing is everything, okay? Marketing is everything. I'm going to be getting my master's in marketing soon. So your girl going to be a marketing guru soon. Just give me time, all right? So that was the last question for the Q&A. I really do appreciate you guys who submitted questions. I hope I gave you guys the best answers to help you guys start your business, further your business, advance your business, expand your business. I hope my questions and my answers helped you all tremendously. Remember to follow all of those social media accounts below. Follow your girl, holla at me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, we on the road to 5K. Period. We need to hit 5K by the end of August. 5K by the end of August. We do that, oh, that giveaway gonna be crazy. Y'all thought we did a big giveaway this time. Just wait till I hit 5K. It's up. Hit 5K and we up. Also, you guys, we are expanding. We will be offering bundles, /wholesale, and lip gloss base. Okay? So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. You guys know I want to be your ultimate wholesaler. So I'm trying to get a little bit of everything for you guys. And before you comment in the description, yes, this is my real hair. I am not bald headed, sis. I just like wigs. Thank you guys for tuning in today. I will see y'all on Friday. Bye.